All right. Hello, everyone, and welcome back. We are on day 2, and we are talking about related words this week. Our story is cliffhanger, and our related words are words that share a common morpheme, and they can sometimes. Let me move my camera down, guys. Sorry. Well, it's not going to do. There it is. They can sometimes be related in meaning. Knowing the meaning of one of the words can be a clue that's going to help us to determine the meaning of another word. All right. So we can build on that knowledge. We can build on that brain power. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's take a look. We have 4 more words that we're going to look at today. So we're going to begin with the related word void. Now, just like we always do, we have both of our spelling words here side by side so that we can compare because they both have the related word of void in them. So we begin, as always, by underlining. You can see on both sides we have underlined the word void and we've highlighted it in red. We use our resources, our internet, our dictionaries, phones, whatever electronic devices, whatever we can to find out what the meaning of our related word is. So our resources tell us that the meaning of void is not valid or binding. And the meaning of our suffix that we see over here in the word avoidance, A-N-C-E, ance, has the meaning of they use it to form a noun or a verb. So it is placed at the end as a suffix to change the word form or the word meaning. So when we take the word avoid and then we take the word ants and we put it together to get avoidance, and that sounds kind of awkward when you're splitting them apart, but we come up with the meaning, or the new meaning becomes the action of not doing something or keeping away. Okay, very good. Now, let's take a look over here. Avoiding is going to be a little bit different. We still have underlined. We still have the same related word. We already know what that means because we said it over here. It's not valid or binding, but we have a different suffix. The suffix ing is used here instead. Well, we know from previous lessons and even from yesterday that ing is used to show an act of being done in present tense. So when we add ing and we connect and we get the word avoiding, we know that our new word meaning is keeping away from. So if you're avoiding studying for a test, then you're keeping away from studying, you're keeping away from learning, you're keeping away from getting prepared. All right, very good. So proud of you. Let's move on to our next 2 words. Now we have the related word hero. Once again, heroism and heroic are our 2 spelling words. And here we have them highlighted and underlined, breaking those 2 pieces apart just so that we can see them, break them apart, then connect them back together. We know we've used our resources. The meaning of hero is someone who is admired for great courage or their special achievements. Okay. Then we also notice that there's another piece that we can separate. We have ism, ISM. Well, when we look this up, we know, or from prior knowledge, that it means related to a belief. So when we connect those 2 pieces together, those 2 blocks we connect, we get a word. Our word is heroism, and we get a new word meaning of great bravery. Okay, very good. So now let's move over here to heroic. Same concept. We have the underlined related word. We know what hero means, but now this time it's a little bit different. We have a suffix of ic, I see. So we need to know what does that mean. So we need to maybe refresh ourselves. So we go to our resource, we look it up online, we go to our dictionary, we find out that it has a meaning of or pertaining to. So when we take hero and ic, heroic, we put those 2 pieces together, we get a new word. Then we get a new word meaning. All right, and that new word meaning is courageous or daring. So now you've just worked with me. You have gone through, you broke apart, you've looked at suffixes, you looked at related words, you've looked at prefixes, you've put word parts together, and you have come up with 4 new spelling words for this week. So proud of you. You've done a great job. And I will see you back again tomorrow for our final 2 words on day 3. Bye bye for now. I will see you later. Bye.